Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to install X application, which was formerly Twitter. So first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store on your mobile devices. So as I am using an Android device, I'm going to launch Google Play Store. Once you come here, at the bottom right corner, tap on the option of Search. Go ahead and tap on the search bar on top and then simply search for X. Now tap on this application that says X Corp. Over here you'll see the option of Install. Simply tap on it. Now all you would have to do is wait until the app has been downloaded. Once the app has downloaded, simply tap on the option of Open. With that, you will be led to the app's interface. You can simply continue with Google or create an account if you don't have an X account yet. If you are already a user of X, then simply tap on the option of Login at the bottom of your screen and you can simply use X application on your mobile devices. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.